Hello everyone, it's Mark. Welcome back. In this video I want to talk to you about the Baker Act and whether or not if you have previously been Baker Acted or your loved one has previously been Baker Acted, if that's going to get used against them. So I'll do a little analogy here. So, way back when I was a prosecutor, back in the mid-90s, so I'm starting to age myself, and don't I know it when I look in the mirror, we have what's known as, in the criminal system, is known as the punishment code, the criminal punishment code. And what does that mean? It basically means that if you're charged with a felony, your prior crimes will be used against you. I mean, they carry points, and things are sort of calculated on this thing called a score sheet, right? It's a written document, and the current offense, the pending offense, has a certain amount of points, and the prior offense has points. Even if you're charged with, say, something like DUI, right? I mean, even if you're in the misdemeanor sort of court system, there's no sort of points attached to this, right? But if you've got one DUI and you've had, another prior DUI, yeah, that's going to get used to you because the statute, the DUI statute says if you've got one and then you get another one, guess what? You're supposed to get punished more. So yeah, in a criminal case, if you've got a criminal pending case and you have other offenses, yeah, it's going to get used against you. Now with the Baker Act, technically it's not supposed to get used against you. There's nothing in the statute that says, well, if you've got one, hold them for longer because they've got another one. But in reality, that's what can happen. I mean, if you're somebody who is getting Baker Acted more than one time, there's something going on here. And if you get Baker Acted to the same facility over and over again, at some point, they're going to say, listen, we need to file for a court order and keep this person because clearly they are unstable and they need help. And so, yeah, I mean, if your loved one has been Baker Acted, or if you've been Baker Acted and you get Baker Acted again, yeah, I mean, it's probably going to influence the decision of the facility as to whether or not they want to keep you. Because at some point, it's clear that you need help. Either that, or somebody is acting maliciously and just trying to get you Baker Acted. And perhaps that's a conversation for a different video. But there may be something going on here. So, look, if your loved one has been Baker Acted multiple times, they need help. Reach out to us because I have a ton of free resources that I can certainly share with you. They're not going to cost you anything, and I'm happy to give them to you if you just pick up the phone and call me or send me an email. So with that said, great question, and keep sending them. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.